Music, flashing lights, fast reflexes, and non-stop action are transforming ordinary workouts into exciting home training sessions. Smart boxing machines are quickly becoming one of the most entertaining ways to stay active while improving coordination, stamina, and reaction speed. From family-friendly fitness tools to advanced rhythm-based trainers, these boxing targets deliver an immersive experience that feels more like a game than exercise. Number 5. DUELTIGER Music Boxing Target. The DUELTIGER Intelligent Music Boxing Target brings together music, technology, and fitness in one compact training system designed for home use. Mounted directly onto the wall, this smart boxing trainer transforms any room into an interactive workout zone while saving valuable floor space. Its modern design, colorful lighting effects, and rhythm-based gameplay create a highly engaging experience that keeps users motivated from the first punch to the last. One of the biggest highlights of this machine is its Bluetooth connectivity. Once connected to a smartphone, the target syncs with your favorite music tracks, allowing the punching lights to react to the beat. This creates a fast-paced training session that feels exciting and energetic instead of repetitive. Whether you enjoy upbeat workout music or intense training playlists, the machine turns every session into a personalized rhythm challenge. The built-in smart chip precisely tracks every strike and instantly records hit data on the digital LED display. This feedback system helps users monitor progress while improving timing, accuracy, and reaction speed. Multiple speed levels and training modes allow beginners and experienced users to customize the difficulty according to their fitness goals. The striking surface uses soft PU material that absorbs impact while still delivering a realistic punching feel. Even during intense use, the operation remains impressively quiet, making it suitable for apartments or shared living spaces. Family members can exercise without disturbing others nearby. Another advantage is its adjustable height system, making it accessible for children, adults, and even seniors. Installation is fast and simple using heavy-duty adhesive stickers that attach securely to surfaces like tile, marble, wood, or cement without damaging the wall. With vibrant RGB lighting, long battery life, quick Type-C charging, and interactive training features, the DUELTIGER Intelligent Music Boxing Target offers an enjoyable and efficient way to stay active while relieving stress at home. Number 4. RZAHUAHU Boxing Machine. The RZAHUAHU Smart Music Boxing Machine delivers an entertaining combination of rhythm gaming and fitness training that works for both adults and children. Designed for wall-mounted installation, this smart boxing target transforms ordinary exercise sessions into fast-moving reaction challenges filled with music, flashing lights, and interactive gameplay. Its most exciting feature is the reactive lighting system. Users can select between 1 and 6 active lights that illuminate during training. Every successful strike causes the light to disappear instantly, creating a satisfying and highly engaging reflex workout. This interactive setup improves hand-eye coordination, punch timing, and overall agility while keeping the experience enjoyable for all ages. Bluetooth support allows seamless connection with a smartphone so users can train alongside their favorite songs. The integrated stereo sound system produces immersive audio that keeps motivation high during every session. Music synchronization helps maintain rhythm and intensity, making workouts feel dynamic instead of repetitive. The striking pads are reinforced with thick soft PU material that protects the hands while still offering solid impact feedback. Even powerful punches feel comfortable thanks to the elastic cushioning design. Combined with the impact-resistant structure, the machine is built to withstand frequent training sessions without losing responsiveness. Another standout feature is the adjustable striking speed. Beginners can start slowly while experienced users can increase the pace for more intense cardio and reflex training. The responsive beat lights controlled through the front mode panel make switching between settings quick and simple. Installation flexibility also adds to the appeal. Users can choose between permanent adhesive mounting or a removable adhesive strap for repositioning the machine when needed. This makes the trainer suitable for indoor or outdoor use on many wall surfaces. Included accessories such as the charging cable, adhesive materials, An instruction manual makes setup straightforward. Optional boxing gloves add extra comfort and safety for longer workouts. Overall, the RZAHUAHU Smart Music Boxing Machine offers a fun, energetic, and family-friendly way to improve fitness, coordination, and reaction speed right at home. Number 3. Tactical Boxing Machine. The Tactical Smart Boxing Machine combines interactive entertainment with high-intensity training to create a powerful home workout experience for users of all ages. Designed for adults and children aged 3 years and above, this compact wall-mounted trainer delivers exciting rhythm-based boxing sessions without requiring a large exercise space. One of its most impressive features is the combination of synchronized music and dynamic lighting effects. Every punch activates colorful visual responses that move in rhythm with the music, turning ordinary cardio training into an immersive reaction game. This interactive design keeps users engaged while encouraging faster reflexes and improved coordination. The striking surface is covered with soft PU foam that provides a comfortable and elastic impact area. This cushioning protects the hands during repeated strikes while still offering satisfying punch feedback. Whether training casually or performing intense interval workouts, users can exercise confidently and comfortably. Customization is another major strength of this machine. With 9 adjustable speed settings and 9 training modes, users can tailor each session to match their experience level and fitness goals. Beginners can focus on developing rhythm and timing, while advanced users can push themselves with faster reaction challenges and more demanding workout patterns. The Tactical Smart Boxing Machine also supports built-in music playback with access to a massive music library. Punching in sync with favorite tracks creates a highly motivating atmosphere that helps users maintain energy throughout their sessions. The simple control panel allows quick adjustment of speed, lighting, and mode settings without interrupting training. Installation is fast and secure thanks to the large hook and loop fasteners mounted on the back of the unit. These fasteners allow easy height adjustment for different family members while ensuring stable wall attachment during intense workouts. Perfect for stress relief, calorie burning, stamina building, and reaction training, this smart boxing trainer delivers a complete exercise solution in a sleek and space-saving design. Its durable construction, family-friendly features, and engaging rhythm gameplay make it a strong choice for anyone wanting an active and entertaining home fitness routine. Number 2. Relaxing Boxing Machine. The Relaxing Music Boxing Machine is designed to make home workouts entertaining, interactive, and accessible for both children and adults. Combining music, flashing lights, and responsive punch tracking, this smart trainer turns traditional boxing exercises into an engaging fitness experience that improves coordination, reflexes, and cardiovascular endurance. Constructed from durable ABS material and soft PU foam, the striking area feels comfortable and safe even during longer training sessions. The skin-friendly surface absorbs impact effectively while still providing enough resistance to simulate realistic punches. This makes the machine suitable for beginners, casual users, and family members of different ages. Bluetooth connectivity allows users to connect their mobile phones and stream music directly during workouts. As the music plays, colorful RGB flare lights guide the user toward the next target area, creating a fast-paced rhythm challenge that feels both exciting and addictive. Every successful strike triggers sound effects that enhance immersion and maintain workout momentum. The built-in intelligent chip reacts instantly to each punch and records strike data on the digital display screen. The counter cycles from C00 to C99, helping users track training performance and monitor progress over time. This feedback system adds a competitive element that motivates users to improve speed and accuracy with every session. Customization is another key advantage. Adjustable speed settings ranging from H01 to H09 allow users to control how quickly the lights change during training. Slower modes help develop coordination, while higher speeds create intense reflex workouts that push endurance and concentration. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the machine supports long training sessions before needing a recharge. Convenient USB charging ensures quick and simple power restoration whenever necessary. Its lightweight and compact design also make installation and storage incredibly easy. Users can place it almost anywhere in the home without requiring complicated setup procedures. For anyone wanting a fun combination of exercise, stress relief, and reaction training, the relaxing music boxing machine offers an energetic and family-friendly workout solution that keeps fitness exciting every single day. Number 1. ONEPUNCH Pro 2.0. The ONEPUNCH Pro 2.0 stands out as one of the most advanced and feature-packed smart music boxing machines designed for home fitness and interactive training. Combining durable construction, app integration, synchronized lighting, and rhythm-based gameplay, this wall-mounted trainer delivers a highly immersive workout experience suitable for both adults and children. Its compact structure allows it to fit easily into home gyms, bedrooms, or living spaces without occupying much room. Despite the space-saving design, the machine is engineered for powerful performance and can withstand extremely strong strikes during intense workouts. Built using high-quality imported leather and durable ABS alloy keys, the punching surface feels sturdy while maintaining comfort during repeated use. What truly separates the ONEPUNCH Pro 2.0 from many competitors is its advanced lighting system. The machine supports over 5,000 songs and offers 255 customizable lighting effects through the dedicated ONEPUNCH app. As music plays, the lights react dynamically to the rhythm, creating a highly energetic environment that keeps users focused and motivated. The companion app works with both Apple and Android devices, allowing users to customize workout settings, lighting patterns, and training sessions directly from their phones. 6-channel pressure sensors inside the machine accurately track punches and sync workout data with the app so users can monitor performance and improvement over time. Installation is simple thanks to the included Velcro mounting system that eliminates the need for drilling into walls. The soft back surface securely attaches to the Velcro tape, while protecting the mounting area from damage. This convenient setup allows users to reposition the machine easily whenever needed. The package also includes useful accessories such as boxing gloves, a mobile phone stand, a power adapter, an extension cable, and mounting materials for immediate setup right out of the box. Support for multiple voltage ranges also makes the machine practical for international use. With its premium construction, intelligent tracking system, customizable lighting effects, and immersive music integration, the ONEPUNCH Pro 2.0 delivers a professional-quality training experience that transforms home fitness into an exciting interactive challenge. That's our list of the 5 best smart music boxing machines in 2026. Which one would you choose for your workout? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart fitness reviews. See you in the next video.